Okay, so Christmas sweater nails. I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to achieve that little 3D sugared sweater look. It's a really simple yet elegant design that you can do without going as far as Santas and reindeers. So just put 2 coats of gel polish of your choice, and then I've come along and put a matte top coat. You want to make sure that the nails are not sticky on the top, because when we put the acrylic powder over at the end to sugar, we don't want it to kind of get onto the bare nail without the design. So I'm just coming in and doing a few little sweater patterns. So just some straight lines, some little squiggles, using the traditional kind of sweater patterns. And you're more than welcome to use the designs that I've used here, or you can kind of look at some sweaters, some knitted sweaters, and create your own. Now, I am using quite a thick viscosity gel in a pot gel here, and because I want it to be slightly raised. So come in and do your designs. Now, after you finish all of your designs on your feature nails, you want to make sure that you let your client know, or if you're doing this on your own, do not cure that design. I mean, you can, but listen, I think we want to get it nice and sugared and a little bit 3D. So what you have to do is, before you put your design in the lamp, just get some clear acrylic powder, and it doesn't matter what color. You can use a blue, pink, whatever you want. The beautiful thing about using clear acrylic powder is that it's still going to get that sugared 3D effect, but it's not going to kind of change the color of your acrylic. And all you need to do is just sprinkle some over the wet pot gel. Don't worry about dusting off now, because you're going to squish your design. So just sprinkle it on and then go in and cure for 60 seconds. So do that to all 10 nails. That is if you're wanting the design on all 10 nails, and then pull that out, and then it's going to be cured. So you're more than welcome at this stage to get a dust brush and then just kind of dust off the excess acrylic off the nails, and that should leave a really nice pattern behind. Now you can definitely go in and get IPA alcohol swab and give the nails a bit of a cleanse. Now remember guys, the acrylic is set, so don't be afraid to wet it after your client's finished or after you've tried it on your hands, because people are going to wash their hands. So you need a design that's going to last, and it is going to last. So if for some reason you're feeling like you've got a bit of acrylic powder around the lines and it's not quite working for you, just give them a bit of a cleanse and a scrub, and happy days. That is it. So that is sweater nails. Now I've just gone across and also created like a bit of a royal blue design. So now using striping tape can be quite tricky. If you start to touch it a lot, it's going to lose its tack quite quick, and it's not going to stick down. You have this striping tape kind of either not sticking with your gel polish, or it's going to kind of lift off your nails pretty soon. So what you have to do is make sure that you try and minimize you touching the tape. Pull it out, lay it down on the nail, and then cut off the sides, but in excess. And I'm going to tell you why. You don't want to cut it off too early, because that's when you're going to have to just play around and try and touch it and stick it down. You want to be able to stick the striping tape down till it pretty much goes almost like a little bit over the side walls, just a hint, and that's where you can then come in and really clip it in line with the side of the nail so that it sticks down perfectly. Now you can go in and then get a little tiny bit of nail glue and dot each side if you wish, just a very small bit to make sure that's really stuck down. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and Merry Christmas.